Hello. Today I have come with another word to improve your vocabulary and your communication skills. So today's word is diligent. The meaning of the word is showing care, consciousness, and persistent effort in one's work or duties. Hardworking and attentive. What are these synonyms? Synonyms are hardworking, meticulous, industrious. Antonyms: lazy, negligent, careless. Where the word is originated from. So its origin traces back to the Latin diligere, meaning to value highly or to take delight in. Entering English via French in the 14th century, connecting careful work with valuing the task itself. So let us see the sentence with it. So sentence is, the diligent student completed all assignments with thoroughness and dedication. So today we have learned one more word, diligent, its meaning, synonyms, antonyms, origin, and one sentence with this word. Hope this word will help you in your communication skills. You will use this word in your conversation with your friends and also make them understand what this word is. Tomorrow, I will come with another word. Till then, farewell from my side. Bye-bye.